We're here at the Montego Bay Convention Center for the 10th biannual Diaspora Conference, right?
Yes.
And we're here with Mr.
Christopher McPherson.
Christopher McPherson from the NLA. And we want to help returning residents to return home and do it safely, right? So there's one question that we want to ask. What should we look out for when we're looking to buy land in Jamaica when we are coming back, right? There's one question that we want to ask. What should we look out for when we're looking to buy land in Jamaica when we are coming back?
Well, that's a great question. One of the first places to start in terms of research, it's Eland Jamaica. Now, you can find all this information on our website. Now, when you go to Eland Jamaica, you'll get a digital interface. If you don't know the volume and folio number of the property, you can search for it based on the map. You can go to the map, click on it. When you click on it, on the parcel, if the parcel is registered, it will have a volume and folio number. If it has a volume and folio number, you can purchase that title online for 500 Jamaican dollars. Now, when you purchase that title, you're able to look at the title and verify that the size is the same as the person is telling you.
Yeah.
You're able to verify if the person who is selling you, they're in actual possession of the property.
Exactly.
You're able to match the names. You can look at their national IDs now and to figure out who. Because in some cases, the property would have been passed from their parents to them. So you're able to ascertain all of that information. And if you want to go a step further to get a legal document from the National Land Agency, you can simply apply to us for a search certificate, which you can do on our website.
From the website?
From the web, you can apply for it.
We can do it.
Yes, man. And we'll email it to you.
Them thing turn up. All right.
Now, what that does is that the registrar of titles will go and physically check. And they're the attorneys. They're the experts. You're going to read the title and they're going to tell you exactly what's on there. So you have the registrar telling you exactly what's on the title.
Nice. So you heard it from the National Land Agency. Make sure that when you're buying property, it's registered.
It's registered.
And you can actually go and verify that on the website. What's the website again?
Eland Jamaica.
All right, you heard it from him. Right.
So once you download your title from Eland Jamaica, you're able to look at the face of the title. You're able to get the volume, the folio. You're able to see the name of the person who owns it. And importantly, you're able to look if there are any liens on the property. There's a mortgage. If the person owes the bank and it has not been paid off, you're able to check that. In some cases, not in all cases, you'll have the diagram of the property, the land surveyor's report. So you're able to tell exactly where the property is and exactly what size it is.
Yeah.
And you'll get all of this from the website. $500, easy, just a couple of clicks away.
Nice. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
All right.
No problem. Take care.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop-shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.